Welcome to our channel. Activating your BBVA USA debit card by phone is a quick process that gets your card ready for use. Step 1. Locate the toll-free activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your new BBVA USA debit card. Step 2. Have your debit card and a form of identification ready before making the call, as you'll need to verify information. Step 3. Using any phone, dial the activation number. The call is toll-free, so there are no charges. Step 4. Listen to the automated menu options and select the choice for debit card activation when presented. Step 5. Enter your 16-digit debit card number using your phone's keypad. Press pound or star when instructed. Step 6. Provide additional verification details such as the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, or your account number. Step 7. Follow the prompts to create a personal identification number for your card. Choose a 4-digit PIN that is memorable but not obvious. Step 8. Confirm your PIN by re-entering it when requested to ensure you've entered it correctly. Step 9. Listen carefully for the confirmation message stating your card has been successfully activated. Step 10. Sign the back of your debit card immediately using a permanent marker. Your BBVA USA debit card is now ready for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and other transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.